Minerals. Minerals are important. Why? Because they provide so many resistance. They create so many resistance against the disease inside our body. For example, if we talk about the iodine, iodine is what? Iodine is mineral. Calcium, calcium is what? Calcium is a mineral which is very much important for the healthy bones and healthy teeth. Same like iodine, iodine is very much good for our thyroid gland. So different minerals and different uses. Okay, same like that. Vitamins. What are the vitamins? Vitamins are the protective food, means it protect our human body from the different kind of the disease. There are so many kinds of the vitamins you have studied earlier in your class, like vitamin A, which is good for the good eyesight. What are the sources of the vitamin A? For example, carrot, you can say, you can say fish, cod liver oil, fish oil, you can say. So different vitamins, different uses. Vitamin C, what are the sources of the vitamin C? Like amla. And due to the deficiency of the vitamin C, one disease which is very popular is scurvy, teeth problem, you can say. Blood comes out from our gums. So vitamin C, vitamin A, B, vitamin B. Due to the lack of vitamin B, very kind of the disease we have to face. Vitamin C, vitamin D. Vitamin D, we know that it is very much important for our body. And how do we get vitamin D? We get vitamin D from the sunlight. Okay, if we are going in the sunlight, our body automatically produces vitamin D. So that vitamin D is also very much necessary. Why? Because it is important from the strengthening of our bones and teeth, and for the so many different normal functioning of our body. So that is all about these things. We have studied about the balanced diet. What is the balanced diet? Right now it is not included in the course, but still it is very much necessary for our knowledge. What is the balanced diet? Balanced diet means if all the components like carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, minerals, we are taking in a proper amount. So it is the balanced diet, includes all the necessary nutrients in a proper amount, so that it will be very much helpful for the growth of our body. Right now we are coming to the again nutrients. So nutrients we have studied. What is the nutrition? Nutrition is little different from the nutrients. Both are not same. What is the nutrition? Nutrition means what? Poshan. Okay, so what is this? All the activities which is included in obtaining the food. There are so many different kind of the activities which we are doing for what? For getting our food. Means how we are taking our food and its utilization for our body, which is in and its utilization inside our body. Means there are two things: how we are getting our food, how we are taking our food, and how this food is going to be utilized inside our body. So if this both the thing, this is commonly known as nutrition. Okay, we all are knowing that food differs according to the different kind of the animals. For example, lion eats deers, but what we eat? Either we can eat, if we are the vegetarian, we can eat the plant products. If we are the non-vegetarian, definitely we are also eating milk, meat products. Okay, so it different food habits. Actually all the living organisms, they have the different food habits. So all the activities means how we are taking our food and how, what kind of the food that we are eating, how it is going to be utilized inside our body. Commonly, in a common sense, these both the things are coming under the nutrition. So right now, need of the food. Need means jarurat. Why the food is need? What is the need of the food? We all are knowing that we are eating food daily. Why? Because we want energy. Because we have to do so many activities. There are so many daily activities which we are doing on the daily basis. And for all these activities, what we need the large amount of energy. And that's why we are eating chapati, we are getting carbohydrate, we are taking milk, we are taking fruits, we are eating vegetables. So what is the basic need of the food? Food provides energy for all the life activities. What kind of the activities that we have to do in our life? Next is the types of the nutrition. Actually, this nutrition, there are the two types of the nutrition. First is the autotrophic. Auto means what? Self. Trophic means what? Preparation. And heterotrophic. Heterotrophic means, hetero means from the other animals. Okay, So there are the basically two kinds of the nutrition. First is the autotrophic, second is the heterotrophic. First is the autotrophic nutrition. I am going to read. Okay, this is the mode of the nutrition in which organism means what? All the living organisms like plants, like animals, like all the birds, insects. Okay, make their own food. These particular words are very much important. They make their own food with the help of the raw materials. What kind of the raw materials here? Like carbon dioxide, CO2, like water, H2O, like minerals. So what is the example for the autotrophic mode of the nutrition? Only the green plants. What is the autotrophic nutrition? Again, I want to explain you in the simpler form. What is the autotrophic nutrition? So it is the mode of the nutrition in which what happen? In which the organisms, they make their own food. They are able to prepare their own food with the help of the raw materials like carbon dioxide, like water. Okay, and that is valid only for the green plants. Only the green plants, they can prepare their own food, that we are knowing, and that particular process is known as photosynthesis. So in the autotrophic mode of the nutrition, only green plants come. Why? Because they can prepare their own plants, because they have the chlorophyll and they can trap the sunlight. Okay, so with the help of the sunlight and chlorophyll and with the help of the raw materials, they have ability to produce their own food, and that's why they are coming under the autotrophic nutrition. Only the green plants, they can prepare their own food. All the other living organisms, actually directly or indirectly, we are depending upon them. We are depending upon the green plants for our food requirement, and that's why what is the another mode of nutrition? Heterotrophic nutrition. Just opposite, you can say, organism which are not able to make their own food. Here they are able to make their own food, but here we are talking about the organism which are not able to prepare their own food. Otherwise, you can say which are not able to make their own food, and rather what they do, they get their ready-made food. They get their ready-made food from the plants, either directly or either indirectly. What is the meaning of directly and indirectly here? Directly means what? For example, any herbivorous animal like cow, like goat, directly they are eating the plant products. And what about the lion? What about the wolf? Actually, lion and wolf, what they eat? Either they eat plant? No. Actually, they eat the herbivorous animals. Means you can say lion is also dependent upon the plants for its food requirement indirectly. Why? Because if the plant products will not be there, so there will be no the survival of the herbivores, and in absence of the herbivores, how the carnivores will survive? Meaning is that all the herbivorous animals, they are directly dependent upon the plant, and all the carnivorous animals, they are indirectly dependent upon the plants. Actually, we are talking about the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So the kind of the nutrition in which the organisms, they are not able to prepare, able to make their own food, and rather they are depending on the plant products, either directly, either indirectly. So this particular mode of the nutrition is known as the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. All the animals, all the human beings, all the birds, all the insects which are not green plants, they all are coming in this particular category. Right now we have to talk about the food making process of the green plants. So I am going to rub this. That we will discuss later on. Okay.